Hi guys, how are we doing? We are all good. It's again QMTTV. Guys, please always help me share my video. And if today is your first time you are seeing my video, please guys, follow, comment, like, also share. Please guys, always help me to share. You see that sharing is the most important thing, please guys. If I share the video, the page will be going more places, guys. And if you're kind of person that know me, please don't just say what is it doing, please. Always help me to share. I beg you. Alright, guys. You see what we are doing. This style is very simple, and it's looking beautiful, nice. What's what again am I going to use to qualify this style? So guys, just wash to the hand. Make sure you wash it to the hand so that you can be able to do what to try it. So I'm going to pin that place down. So I just said I wanted to pin that place as well, but I noticed that it has enter. So the remaining hand, you see what I'm trying to do there. I want to try to do what to bring it out little. That is what I'm doing. Just adjusting it and try to adjust. Then you pick it together. So I'm avoiding that edge now. That where there is ripping. That's why I'm putting it inside. I don't want it to show outside. So that place I'm holding, we're going to use rubber band. That is it. To band that place. I'm gonna use rubber band to band that place. So let's try to bring it out little. Yeah. So the remaining hand, guys, what are we going to do to the remaining hand? Watch and see what we're going to do to that place. So I'm trying to put that ribbon inside. That will be try to put it inside. So I've picked it now. We're going to sock it to the back. Yeah. We're going to do what we're going to sock it, yes. That is what we're going to do. Then I come back and arrange that place very well. So guys, are we gonna leave the rubber like this, or what should we do to that place? Okay guys, let's find something. Is it that one or this one? Which one do I go for? So I pick this. So guys, just trying to turn it, and the thing it look nice. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, guys, you see now. See how beautiful it is. So, alright, guys. Thank you once again for watching. Look at the back. So, guys, then.